Okay, hello everybody, and today in this video I will be exploring something about BentoML, and it's kind of like an AutoML type of platform, or I guess it's used for ML monitoring also. I don't know, I just have heard about it. I want to explore about it myself. So without further ado, let's start. So okay, cool. So let's go to search for BentoML. What is it? So BentoML, I think, खुल जा भाई. Yep. Okay. Build, ship, and scale the NLP models. Yep, I guess it's used for a platform for software engineers to build AI products. Okay, this is nice. So these guys have a pricing, okay, which is cool. You have open source products. I just want to see that. It takes time to load. I don't know why. Okay, cool. Oh, okay. So you have BentoML, open source, building, shipping, scaling applications. Okay, OpenLLM. Wow. Okay, so you can scale and ship to these cloud platforms, which is cool. Let's see. Okay, BentoML Unified AI Application Framework. BentoML is a framework for building reliable, scalable, cost-efficient AI applications. It comes with everything you need for model serving, application packaging, and production deployment. Interesting. Import any model that brings your own models built with frameworks of PyTorch, TensorFlow, and Keras. Scikit-learn, import all major frameworks. Okay. Introduction to BentoML. Is it something like that? Okay, so you do pip install bento and you say, let's check the full documentation and a starting tutorial. Let's close this. Okay, so it's just for 10 minutes. Okay, which is cool, which is okay-ish, and I think I can manage 10 minutes of tutorial, and I think we all can manage 10 minutes of tutorial. It's just cool. So let's start. What does it say? It says set up a tutorial. There are 3 ways to complete this tutorial. Either way, you can use Collab, you can use tutorial notebook from Docker, or you can use a local development environment. All you have to do is to use this, which is okay. Let's do it. I'm gonna use, let's try for tutorial on Collab, not get much into local or Docker. All I have to do is to use this to install all the installs, right? And all I can do is model training. Okay, I don't think I have control over it when I'm using it. So this is nicely serving everything with the help of this wrapper around it. Nice. All you got to do is use BentoML, NumPy, and NumPy array. Interesting. And all you just do is serve. Nice. Makes sense to me now. Let's try it out. I don't know if it's visible or not. Let me make it visible. Yes, I think it's visible. Okay, cool. This is cool. Nice. So this is BentoML with scikit-learn. I want to have more control over it. It doesn't feel good. Let's do it then. Have a local development environment. I'm not going to go through all that hassle. Let me go through set up a GitHub code space. I'll create a new repository, name it as Bento tutorial, something like that. I don't know. Anyways, just exploring Bento, and then you go to add a license over here. Let's say Creative Commons CC. It is template. Git ignore template is Python, and then you say license CC. Is it CC or Creative Commons? Yes. Okay. And then you just say, do you want to add readme? No, I don't. Nah, create repo. And you open this in a code space. Let's not do any changes here. Okie dokie, we have it. Cool. Let me place it here at the end. A code space is getting set up. I don't need collab anymore. Yes. Okay. So all I have to do here is to say git clone this. Okay, cool. Let me just paste it. But before, let me have a virtual environment for myself. So that way I'll say virtual env. Right. Is it getting created? Yes, it's getting created. And how do I activate it? It's like source. I'll say source, and then you say source when activate, something like that. Yes. And let's just also try to figure the bash rc file. How do I do that? I'd say vim bash rc. Is it? Yes. Okay. So what I do is I just add. Is it editable? Is it not? Nope, I don't think so. It's getting okay. It's getting it. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so all I need to do is to add source when activate, right? And I hit escape and I say right. Okay, cool. So that's so if I open a new terminal here, I will have automatically this when will be, I should get that. Let me check. Yes, I am getting that. So mission successful. Cool. Okay, so what I need to do here is to make a firstly a clone of a repo. So that should be this command over here. Yes, I want to share this allow access, and I'll say GitHub cloning BentoML. Yes, I want to have it. Okay, could be fatal, no remote repository, permission denied for a public key, make sure you have correct access rights and the repository exists. Okay, so there is something wrong with it. Continue. Yes, this is perfectly. I think I should try doing. What if I remove this depth one? Okay, and repository exists. For some reason, I am not able to clone it here. Well, I can do this. I can just say mkdir tutorial for sure. Yes, I can make tutorial. Then I can say a make file, if that makes sense. So I'll say touch make file, and I have a make file here. So I'll come over again. I'll say open it up. I'll just say text summarization. I'll take the make file contents from here. All I got to do is just say yes, this is the make file, paste it over here, save it, that's it. Now what do I need for this tutorial? I want, nah, I don't know it, sorry. Okay. All I got to do was, I guess, what do I do next? Okay, I need to have this repository, so I need to have the source code downloaded from this. Let's download the source code. Am I able to download it from here? Nope. But I need this folder, right? Quick start, right? Okay, cool. So I have to, I guess, download the whole thing all together. Download zip. Okay, I think it shouldn't get downloaded right any second. Okay. Open, please, open. Okay, until it opens, तब तक थोड़ी बकचोदी करते हैं. Myself Shyam Gupta, and I have been pursuing my interest in the field of data science since like 2 years, and I'm pretty much exploring till date, and it's going good. That's it. I love data science for the fun of it. I don't like particularly want to make money out of it, but I just do it because I enjoy doing it. That's it. Okay, so I have this file over here. I want quick start, examples, quick start. Okay, cool. I want all these files, and I wanna, okay, how do I do it? How do I drop them over here? Reading name. What's name? Is there something like that? Okay, how do I do it? This is Bento tutorial. Let me add a file over here. And before that, let's just do get add dot git commit. Just add a directory, and you say get push. Is it possible? Okay, cool. So I come here, I refresh it. Cool. I don't think so. I have my directory over here. Let me add a readme dot empty. Okay, this is just add a readme. Yes, it's okay. Sync changes. Okay. Is it done? Yes, it's done. Where's my tutorial? I need this tutorial folder. I need to add a file over here. How do I add a file? Add a file, upload files, and I upload files using this. Okay. Finally happening, is it? I'm going to upload these 10 files over here. Can you please upload it? Okay, I think there is some problem with it. I need all of them. Can you please do it? The fuck? Anyways, let's go to I think I haven't. Okay, I haven't done it yet. I should have like just extracted all. Let's show extracted when complete. It's 31 MB, so I think it's taking a bit of time. Is it? Well, anyways, so I want to do such videos more often so that I can have a better log of my progress also, and I help people get educated with me. That's it. Anyways, whatever. Well, I have to do it now. I got to switch from Windows to Linux. I don't know why I have that intuition of just getting it all finished with Linux, Windows. But yeah, well, pretty soon I'll be switching to Linux because Windows is just too slow for me. Come on. Okay, finally. And I want, anyways, can I just have this? I want to have BentoML. I want to have examples. I go to quick start, quickie start. No, where is it? This is it. I want all these files. Let's say open. Okay, now it's doing it. Okay, cool. Oh, so the earlier why I was not able to do it was because have I taken a pull? I need to take a pull again. Yes. Ask me later because I can do it now. I just want to have get fetch. Okay, I think it's done. Is it? Good, cool. Got it. Anyways, thank you. Let me shorten you up and I'll just say now I just want requirements.txt to be downloaded. What I do is I'll just move into my tutorial folder and I'll say make install, if I can do that. Target, no rule to make target install stop. Okay, I think if I can just say mv star to dot dash, is it possible? Yes, it is possible. I do need this. I don't think so it's needed anymore. I'll just take this tutorial and delete it right away. Now if I just say make install, is it possible? Okay, so I need to get out of this directory. If I say make install now, yes, it's getting started. Cool. So the small make files do big changes. Thumbs up, better make them. I also discovered them a few days back, so yep. Anyways, here we have it. I have a make file and let's check their documentation, what they want to do us next, right? Want us to do next. What do I do then? Okay, this is something, but yeah, okay. So I have to install all of these, but I think I have everything installed now. BentoML, scikit-learn, pandas. Yeah. Oh shit. It, by mistake, I shut it down my code space. I don't know if my changes are saved or not. Is it? Well, I think it is for now. It is. Yes. Okay. Cool. Okay, so what do I have to do here? I have requirements.txt. I think I have everything installed here. Right, let me open a shell. Yes, cool. Everything works. Let me just see if I have everything. Pip phrase. Yes, I think everything is there. We had, just a second, I had scikit-learn and I had bento, so let me check for bento also. Do I have bento? Yes, I have. Okay, cool. Let me clear it. Cool. So first things first, I have model training as model train.py, so I have to check this out, which is pretty easy. I have to do not much, right? All I have to do is just say python train.py, and this will make a save a model over with this tag, like something like that. And then what do I have to do here is I have to say this will save a new model in BentoML local store. A new version tag is automatically generated when the model is saved, and you can see all the models over with this command. All I have to say is this. Just want to have the preview of it. Just okay. Copy, paste. No. I don't want to have this. I want to have BentoML model, this one. If I save it, run it. So this is the, I have to shut off to, I have less space available today. Okay, this should be good. So this is the version I created. Cool, very nice. This is nice. Now what do I do next? I want to serve this model. Now how do I do that? Well, basically what you have to do is to verify the saved model can be loaded correctly, run the following. So you do this to verify if the model is running and loading correctly. I have to do this. Okay, cool. Let's try to make a Python file. Touch infer .py. I'll check this out. Infer.py. Do this, and I say Python infer.py, and this says nothing. Well, I think there should be a print statement over here. If there has to be something, let's not do this. Let's make a result out of it and print result. Cool. What is it? Okay, it is saying 2, I think, which is a class of iris flower. Okay, cool, which is nice. sklearn.load model irisclf latest, or I could have just given this version name over here with the name, right? I could just do that also. What if I do this? Will it still work? I don't know. Yes, it will still work, which is cool. Next, what do I have to do is I checked. Firstly, I created a BentoML model which got saved in their local directory, which then I loaded from the BentoML model lists or something like that, which was given here. Get iris classification of latest, right? I can do that. Then I just checked if my model got correctly saved or not, and was it running good, right? So I've made an info file. Next, I have to create a way of running ML model inference. Is serving is via runner, which gives BentoML more flexibility in terms of how to schedule the inference computation, how to batch inference requests and take advantage of hardware sources available. The saved models can be loaded as runner instances as shown below. So you can have all of this too. Interesting. What's there in this client.py file? Okay. Well, this is good. Good stuff. Good stuff. Interesting. Okay, let's come here to this. Saving models with BentoML. I saved my model. I checked if my model is running correctly or not. Now I have to create a service out of it. Okay. Okay. How do I create a service out of it? So I have to use this code over here. It says it's service.py. So service.py, where's service.py? This is it. Okay, so if I run it, I will have my service created here. So I will have services are core components of BentoML where the serving logic is defined, which is cool. Nice. So I have to just say, what is this? Service.py. Will it run? Oh yeah, it won't. So I have to just say Python service.py. Okay, it's not running. There has to be something. Service.py, is my spelling correct? Dumb mistake. Anyways, I think there has to be something which is not getting my attention properly. Is it like I have to do BentoML that first, or do I have to do something else? Okay, it says creating a service. Ooh, so it should start BentoML server of a service for new development. So I have to have the service.py file, but the service.py I am using here does not start a service anyhow, is it? I think there's a difference. Input array, output array. There is a difference over here. Def classify. Okay. Well, everything is good, but it seems a little bit fishy over here. Interesting. No one's calling it anyways. I don't think so. It's being called, is it? No, I don't think so. But nah, I don't. Anyway, screw it up. Okay, let's just copy it, paste it over here, run it again. Okay, import numpy as np, unexpected indent. Okay, I need to have all of this indent gone. Okay, cool. Why is it not starting a service in here? Interesting. I need to have a service started, right? So what do I do? Okay, so you do it like this. Sorry, I was wrong. What you do is, this is the command you use to do it. Yes, this is the command you do it. I think I'm getting errors anyway, so no, it's not error. I think it should be open in browser. Let's see if I can get connected to the port, which is nice. This is good stuff. Okay, so I have the good infrastructure, then I have the service API, which is the main stuff. Okay, so we can check for our health, right? The health is good, 200, no links, good. Is it live? Yes, it is live. Try it out, execute. Okay, so it is live on this link, which I can use for requesting and querying through this API, like it's just a live open endpoint which I can communicate with this app or small service I created. Ooh, this is also good stuff. Nice. But how do I post? Okay, so if I want to classify something, I need to have a request body over here, right? How do I have a request body? Correct. So for that, this is application JSON media type apps. Okay, cool. So it's all a pretty huge mess over here. Let's just try it out, and given what we have, I don't think so. It should be having something. Okay, cool. I think I have to take some values from here. Let's just take these and see if this works or not. Okay, so I have these 4 values. I'll say execute. If I get a response, okay, there is an error or something. Is it? I guess I'm getting errors here because it's having the service response status which is of 500. Okay, let's just try it out again. Cancel, try it out, execute. Is there something else I can try out? The health does not look good. Try it out, execute. Well, it's good. I don't know, what do I do? Okay. How do I make it possible? Copy it. If I can just paste it, let me just, give me a few minutes. Okay, if I paste it over here. Nah, I don't want to paste it. Nah. Okay. I just have to touch bash infer bash.sh, right? And I have an sh file over here. I'll put it like this. I do have more running in this space, right? I believe I have. I don't know. Anyways, and what I want to do next is to push some values in here. How do I do that? Okay, I have this endpoint. Correct. Now if I have, yes, I can do this. I can use curl to give this type of, yes, I can do this also. Correct. Hey, just a second, I don't know if it works or not. This is the preview of the GitHub app I am using, right? What do I do? Well, let's just check it real quick. Requesting this URL to classify stuff, which is not happening. Application is JSON. Okay, let's not do it right now. Okay, not found schema servers. Interesting. Let's do this. I come here, I paste it, and let's check if it is working or not. I'll just say bash.sh. Now how do I execute sh scripts? Interesting. I forgot. Anyways, I think if I open this, do I get something? No, I don't. Anyways, so I can try doing this. You can come to here. I just comment this out. Try this again. Python infer .py. I don't get anything because it is not returning anything. So I need to have a result again. Just say print result. Okay, it's 2. Okay, so this is supposed to be working. What if I just change this URL? If I change this URL, what if? Oh, okay. What if I just change this URL? I don't think I can get something out of it. No, I don't get anything meaningful. Well, I think you should not go to health. You should go to classify. Is it? If I go to service API, go to classify. The classify is my endpoint. Classify. If I go here, I don't get anything again, right? Anyways, I think this should have worked well, but I think I'm messing up something over here. I just reset everything and say try it out. If I just execute, it responses. I don't get an output. And when handling this request, server logs. How do I get logs? This is pretty much. This is interestingly weird because it should not happen. But yeah, I'm getting some results over here with this link. Yep, with this endpoint I'm getting it because this is localhost, and I might not be able to access this right now. Let's just say control plus click this link. Okay, this method is not allowed, is it? But why? Okay, there's something wrong with it. Anyways, I think this is it. Because this bento, okay, but not this is it, but I can use to check for service APIs, where can I deploy it and stuff like that. In this example, creates a reference save model store, creates a runner instance from the model. The runner abstraction gives bento server more flexibility in terms of how to schedule the inference computation, how to dynamically batch inference calls, and better take advantage of all the hardware resources available. Okay, bento runner instance so we can test out, and this is good stuff. It is telling that if you do something called as bento, building a bento, once the service definition is finalized, which we have done, we can build a model service into a bento. Bento is a distribution format for a service. If it is self-contained archive that contains all the source code, models, files, and dependency specification required to run the service, build a bento. First create a bento file.yaml, which I think this is provided here in this tutorial, bento.yaml, right? We have Python packages. I think we need to have Python packages installed as requirement.txt. I don't think we should have anything else. Let's just include for safety I just have to include BentoML, is it? Is it something like that? I don't know exactly. Yes, it's BentoML. Cool. Okay. IRF CLS latest. Okay, and this is cool. I have this set up. What does it tell us to do next? I think they say to build BentoML. Okay, cool. Let's do that. Let me stop you. Not stop you, but yeah, I have to. Let me kill the other one. Clear it out, and I wanna say BentoML. Should I type ML also? Yes, BentoML build. Okay, there is an error. Where is an error? Line number 8. I have Python packages, right? While structuring build config, I don't understand a thing. Bento serve is different. But I have to first do bento build, and for building it I need to have a build configuration, right? Here I should be having that, right? So we have bento. Let me remove it. Owner gallery, include this. I think it should be fine. No, it does not. Interesting. What do I do then? BentoML line number 8. I have sys.exit. Where is it that I am going wrong? Is there something which I can do? Nothing that I can see of. So this is a major problem. Then how do I serve a bento model? I don't know. I think I can figure it out. Let's just do that. Bento build command from the same directory. Building bentos. BentoML provides a lot of options. Bentofile.yaml. Bentofile for customizing Python dependencies. CUDA installation, Docker, distro. Okay, if it says to do like this, let's try it out again. It's gonna be tough call now. What do I do next? Can I just say requirements.txt if it works? I don't know. Well, nothing worked at first, so I figured that it won't work out again. Anyways, I think I should switch off the camera. Well, thanks for tuning in. I think that's it for today, because I don't have any words for it now. Let me just try this last stuff. Service is service.svc, stage is dev, Python packages and everything else, and I try doing that. Okay, include owner. What if I just remove the owner? Is it something like that? It will matter. Does it matter? It doesn't matter. It does matter, I guess, but I don't think so. I'm just doing something stupid stuff. Anyways, include Python packages and models. If I remove models, what happens if I remove models? Because basic config, it is creating errors. Yes. Oh, is it running? Is it running now? Come on. Come on, bro. Come on. भाग मिल्खा भाग, come on. Packaging the model bento service from build context. Interesting. What if I stop this, run it again? I think it takes time to run it. Well, I think it takes time to run it, and for now let's just stop it over here because this stuff was pretty exciting and new for me, and just stay tuned with it. And yeah, let's hope I figure it out next time when I try to explore something new. And thank you so much. Bye bye. How do I stop it?